Since my childhood, I have always been inclined towards art. My passion to create was giving me the opportunity to bring all my imagination to life. Pen and paper were never enough for me. I was always exploring new ways and techniques to express myself. Technology is consistently in progress, and its influence on our daily lifestyle is astonishing. I myself was far from IT, and my most serious relationship with the computer always ended with YouTube videos or a dramatic series on Netflix. It's been 3 months since I started DevX School, and my perspective on life will never be the same. Drawing has limits, but with the help of IT, I can erase all limits and put myself into an infinite cycle of exploring.
In DevX School, we pursue a great mission. Our mission has two sides to it. First, give people access to high-quality education in IT. Help them learn the hardest technologies. Guide the beginners into the professional world. It's a huge change to lives. We want that change to carry the highest quality in everything our students do. Second, the corporate world is in a crisis of IT specialists. We want to help meet that shortage with our highly trained students. Make a positive impact to the world.
So, it's been a year since I started working as a software engineer, and I'm truly thankful for DevX School for making it happen. All the real work environment processes we were engaged in gave me a tremendous advantage in my current job. I feel more confident and strong in my knowledge. And although I finished a year ago, I still stay in contact with my classmates and mentors. It's a huge community where you can find all the help that you need.
DevX School team is unique. It's a combination of people with different background, culture, age, but we all have one thing in common. It's passion to share. Sharing is gaining, and when we share our knowledge and experience with our students, we gain a lot from them too. We learn fresh and new looks to the problems, we find new creative solutions to those problems, and it is all possible because of DevX's hard work. Top-notch technology, unique approach to each and every student with zero background. All of this you can find here at DevX, along with presentations and real work environment simulation.
People who surround you are important. Being in the right place is the key factor for success. Because DevX School is not just an ordinary school, it's not just the great education you get here, but also people who become friends and family for life.
I cannot thank enough for being a part of DevX School, because it means being a part of something big and important.
DevX is where dreams become goals. And what I mean by that is, DevX doesn't just give you a ticket to your dream job, but it gives you the knowledge and opportunity to build your own plane so that you can achieve any goal that you set.